If there's one thing I know I'm not good at, it's definitely patience. I mean, I want to think I'm a patient person, but if I'm truthful, I'm not. Well, maybe with other people, but I'm certainly not with myself. I mean, take for example this recipe. If anything could have gone wrong with it, it did. But I knew that it wasn't going to be the easiest shoot because I needed to buy a food processor. Of course, I ignored my instinct and went ahead anyway. Yep, there's always a first. I had to reshoot the whole footage, and it took me more than double the time to finish it. To be honest, I almost didn't even want to put it into my editing program because I figured it wasn't even worth it. But here we are, my Cajun roast I toast you on being the video I will never forget. I realized amidst my meltdown that I needed to be more patient with myself because, well, hello, I just moved into my new house 2.5 weeks ago, and not to mention moved to a new country just 2 months ago, during a small flight bubble that was available before the new wave of COVID put many countries back in lockdown. When I look at it like that, I say, hey, it's okay to not be on my normal schedule. Be easy on yourself, and if your Cajun roast is meant to wait until your kitchen is replenished with a new food processor, then so be it. In that same moment I reprieved myself, I also realized, what did it matter? Filmmaking is all in the editing, right? Anywho, so patience. What I realized, it's not about the waiting, but in fact, it's how we handle the waiting.